Hi everyone, welcome back to the How To series painting, and today I'm gonna show you how to paint a mini sunflower painting with wash. First, we're gonna starting with the sky. I mixed the blue sky with the white and a little bit touch of violet to create a nice and creamy blue sky color. You can also mix some various shade of blue sky to make your sky look more dynamic. Next, I'm mixing Viridian Green with a little bit of ultramarine and a little bit touch of black to create a dark green shade. If you see your green shade is not dark enough, you can wait until the first layer gets dry and you can apply the second layer on top. And you should mix more black if you would like to make it look dark. I also add the second layer for the sky to create a shape for the clouds. This layer gonna be lighter, so you wanna add more white to the blue sky that we already mixed before. After the second layer get dry, we're gonna start to add the stems and the leaves for the sunflower field. I always starting with the very dark green shade, and you should be careful using the tips of the brush to create these very thin stems and the round leaf. Keep moving to the medium shade by adding more white or yellow to the previous color. We also use the medium green to create the leaf for the backgrounds, and you just need to use the tips of the brush to make a little dot. And we don't need to go very detailed for the leaves in the background. Because I don't sketch before I draw, so I'm gonna draw the petal of the flowers to define the position of the flowers. Remember, we don't spread evenly all the flowers. We're gonna keep the space for them. For the sunflower petals color, I'm gonna mix the orange with a little bit of yellow ochre to create a shadow first. You also use the tips of the brush to create the petals and spread them evenly around the petals. Each flower's gotta have a different shade and different size. Remember, the flower of the foreground gonna be bigger than the flower of the background, and you don't have to go too much details for the one in the background either. While waiting for the flower get dry, so I'm gonna work on more detail for the stems and the leaves of the field. I also adding more highlight leaves for the field to make our painting look more shined. Now I'm working on the highlights of the flower by mixing the yellow lemon with a little bit of yellow ochre. You gotta add the highlights next to the previous shadow color that already made. we're not gonna cover everything but with the new color. Remember, the one in the foreground gonna be brighter than the one in the background. And remember, add the shadow for the pistils. Here I'm adding a different shade of yellow for the sunflowers to make it look less boring. The last steps, we're gonna add the highlight for the sunflowers by using white and yellow lemon. You also wanna add some magic touch for the feel to make it look more dynamic and more natural. And we already finished the painting today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm gonna see you for the next video. Thank you.